Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on finding the Applications folder on Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Click Go from the menu bar in the top left of the screen. Then click Applications from the drop-down menu. Here is your Applications folder. The other way you can get to your Applications folder is by clicking Finder from the dock. Then choosing Applications from the left sidebar menu. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.